Arthur's point of view. Jimin forced Yoongi's parents to visit them so that he can clear the misunderstandings between them. Yoongi was shocked and super angry to see them, but Jimin immediately switched his personality from Jim to Min Jimin and handled the situation very well. He told Yoongi the entire truth and left from there to leave Yoongi with his parents so that he can talk with his parents and clear their misunderstandings. Yoongi's parents calmly talked to him. It was the first time when they talked with Yoongi. Yoongi was totally broken to know the truth, but he wasn't alone this time. His parents and Jimin were there to handle him. Yoongi cried out and did all the complaints which he couldn't do in the past. He took out his whole heart. Finally, everything is fine between them. Meanwhile, with Jimin was desperately waiting outside for Yoongi. He was so worried for him. Yoongi came to living room but didn't talk with him. Jimin is Jimin. He bit his right earlobe and immediately pulled an innocent face like he did nothing. Yoongi is waiting for his turn to take revenge from his little Jimmy. Yoongi's parents told the truth to Jimin's grandparents about Junmin's marriage. Jimin's grandparents understood their situation and forgave them. At night, Yoongi was sleeping on the couch in the living room and Jimin couldn't digest how can Yoongi sleep peacefully. So he lay down beside him and sleep. Yoongi immediately hugged him tightly and protectively. They both slept like this. Both Yunmin like to sleep with each other but don't want to accept it. Let's see what happens next. Time skipped in the morning. Yoongi woke up first and found Jimin in his arms. He was tightly hugging him as he has the habit of sleeping while cuddling. Yoongi gently removed Yoongi's hairs from his face. Yoongi, while creasing his mochi-like cheeks, "Happy birthday, my armor," kissed on his forehead. "Sleep well." He took his mobile from the center table to see the time, but accidentally front camera opened. He saw his right earlobe has a faded teeth mark. He touched his right earlobe and smiled brightly to remember that how his kid used to shudder in front of him, just bite him because he denied to talk with him. He really got so much guts nowadays, and after biting him, he pulled the most innocent face and said to his grandma that he just said sorry to him. "Yoongi, you little chimney, you have to pay for it. Just wait for my turn. I will definitely take my revenge, and that too, double." With that, he left from there, not before tugging him completely with the blanket and giving him a cushion to hug. After 2 hours, Jimin woke up and looked here and there and realized that he was on the couch. He tried to open his eyes, but it wasn't opening it. He started finding Yoongi. Why? Because he used to see Yoongi's face whenever he opened his eyes. Usually, Yoongi wake him up now. Jimin's sleepy voice. "Yoon, Yoon, where are you? Yoon, are you listening me? Where did he go in this early morning?" Took his mobile from the center table and looked at the time. "It's 9 a.m. I overslept today. But it's all Yoon's fault. Nowadays he isn't completing his duty properly. Because of him, I'm late. I will scold him." Looked at the date and immediately jumped from the couch. "Today's my birthday? Oh yeah, today's Jimmy's birthday." Started jumping. "Yay, it's Jimmy's birthday. Let me ready." He happily went to his room to freshen up and quickly came back but got shocked to see no one was there. So he started searching everyone by calling them. Jimin, "Yoon, Grandma, Grandpa, Oma, Appa, where are you all?" But he got no response. Where did they all go? Maybe they will go to market. Let's go to kitchen and eat tasty breakfast. I'm sure Grandma prepared tasty breakfast for me, my birthday. With that, he happily went to kitchen and started searching the food. But for his surprise, there wasn't any food. His happy face turned small and sad. Jimin, big pouty face. Where is my food? First they all left me here all alone, then didn't prepare any food for me. Did they already forget about my birthday? Mobile rang and picked the call without checking the caller ID. OTP. Jimin's sad voice. Hello. Happy birthday, Jimmy. Jimin, tear fell in his eyes. Oh, ma. Jimin's mom panicked. What happened, baby? Why are you crying? Jimin, oh, ma. Jimin's father, more panicked. Jimmy, baby, what happened? Are you alright? Jimin, Appa. Jimin's father, yes, baby. Oma and Appa are here. Tell us what happened to our Jimmy. Why is our super strong Jimmy crying? Jimin, Jimmy missed you too. Jimin's mom, oh, Jimmy, it's okay, son. We also missed you so much. Don't cry. Who cry on his birthday? On birthday, everyone should smile and happy. And see, here our one and only baby is crying. Jimin, teary eyes, but I miss you too so much. It's my first birthday without you too. I missed your food. I missed how lovingly Appa woke me up and you prepared sweet dish for me. You both feed me by your hands. I really missed each and everything. Jimin's father, we missed that too, son. It's our first time too without you, baby. But one day this day has to come. You can't live with us all the time. You have to be strong. Jimin's mom, yeah, baby, your Appa is right. What happened? We aren't there. Our blessings with always to you. You have Yoongi. He really cares for you a lot. And now you have Mr. and Mrs. Min too. They treat you like their own son. See, now you have two families. Now stop crying and smile. If Yoongi got to know that you cried because of us, then he will be mad on us. Jimin smiled and quickly wiped his tears. Yeah, Yoon became so scary whenever I cried. He didn't let me cry. He remembered Yoongi's words that if he cries, then Yoongi will send him outside of the house. He hates when tears filled in his beautiful eyes. Jimin's father, it's good na. You should always smile. You are our angel and angels don't cry. Jimin's mom, where is Yoongi? I called him but his mobile was out of network area. Jimin, don't know. Jimin's father, don't know means? Jimin, don't know means don't know. When I woke up, he wasn't here. Jimin's mom, what? He left you there alone? Jimin's father, Jack, he must be went on his university. It's Jimmy's holiday, not Yoongi's. Jimin's mom, oh yeah, I forgot about it. Jimin, oh no, Umma, we aren't in Korea, we are in Costly Rice. Jimin's father, confused, Costly Rice? Where is it? Jimin, Costly Rice? You don't know where is Costly Rice? Jimin's mom, no Jimmy, we really don't know. Tell us, where are you now? Jimin, oh Umma, we are in Costly Rice where grandma and grandpa live. Jimin's father, Jimmy, it's Costa Rica, not Costly Rice. Jimin, it's same appa. Jimin's mom, when did you go there? Jimin, so many days before, after my graduation ceremony, you took me here. Jimin's mom, oh, now I understood. Why did Yoongi call us and ask about Oma Appa's address? He wanted to make you visit them. Jimin's father, our son-in-law is so thoughtful and caring. He took care of Jimmy's every needs. We are really so lucky to have him as our son-in-law. Jimin blessed over this statement. Oma, Appa are also here. Jimin's father, Oma and Appa? Who, Jimmy? We are here, then whom you call Oma and Appa? Don't tell me you made another parents. Jimin's mom, shut up. What are you saying? He is talking about Mr. and Mrs. Min, Yoongi's parents. Right, baby? Jimin nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Oma. They came here yesterday. You know, Oma cooked super tasty dinner. We all enjoyed and talked so much. Jimin's mom, happy to hear his cheerful voice. So, where are they? Let us talk to them. Jimin, don't know where did they all go? When I woke up, no one is here. Jimin's father, don't be sad. They must be go outside. They will be back soon. Don't go outside, okay? Jimin, Otti. Jimin's mom, once again, happy birthday, son. We will call you at night. Jimin, thank you, my Nappa. I smiled. Jimin's father, don't bother Yoongi, okay? Be a good boy. Jimin, when did I bother him? Remembered how he stole Yoongi's favorite hoodie and scratched his hand, and then yesterday how he bit his right earlobe. I will be good boy. Teasingly smirk. Jimin's mom, okay then, we are hanging up the call. Take care of yourself and Yoongi too. Love you so much. Jimin smiled brightly. Love you too, oh my Nappa. Call ended. He went to living room and sat on the couch and started waiting for everyone to come. Just then his mobile rang. He looked at the caller ID and immediately picked the call. OTP, Jimin cheerful voice. Hello Oma, good morning. How are you and Appa? Cook's mom. Hello Jimmy, good morning to you too. We both are fine. How are you, son? Jimin, I'm also fine. Cook's dad, happy birthday, Jimmy. Jimin, I smiled. Thank you, Appa. Cook's mom, look like you already loved our gifts. Jimin, gifts? Cook's dad, yeah, gifts. We sent you two gifts. Haven't you received yet? But it said parcel is already delivered. Jimin, oh, maybe watchman uncle received the parcel. Cook's mom, watchman? But why? Jimin, because we aren't at Seoul, we are in costly rice. Cook's dad, costly rice? Jimin, yeah, costly rice to my grandparents' house. Cook's mom, it must be Costa Rica, Jimmy. Jimin, yeah, dad. By the way, Uma, what were in the gifts? Cook's mom, see it by yourself when you reach at your home. Jimin, okay, sad pout. Cook's dad, don't be sad, baby. It's your favorite things. Jimin, happily, what they? But Oma. Cook's mom, what, Jimmy? Jimin, there wasn't any food item, na? Cook's dad, why? Jimin, because last time when you two gave me popcorn box, na, you snatched it from me. He didn't let me eat. So if you send any food item, then you will again snatch it. Cook's mom, oh my baby, don't worry about him. I will scold him. Don't worry and enjoy your birthday, okay? Jimin, okay. I smiled. Cook's mom, okay then, we are hanging up. Stay happy and healthy. Sarangi. Jimin, Nado Sarangi, oh my Nappa. Call ended. Jimin, happily, wow, my gifts have already arrived at our house. What could it be? Thinks hard. Maybe they send me lots of chocolates or cheese balls. His mobile again rang and he excitedly picked the call. OTP. Jimin. Hello, Oma. Teens mom. Hello, Jimmy. Happy birthday, son. Jimin. Thank you so much, Oma. Teens mom. You sound so happy, baby. Look like my sugar gave you your favorite things as gifts. Jimin, don't take his name. He didn't even wish me. Big pout. Tease mom, what? Where is he? Give call to him. I will twist his ear. How dare he to not wish my baby on his special day? Jimin giggles. Oh ma, how will you twist his ear through the mobile? Tease mom, I will scold him and you will pull his ear. Teamwork. Jimin, nice idea, Oma. Let him come home, then we will do this. Teens mom, let him come home means he isn't at home. Where did he go to leave my baby all alone? Jimin, don't know. When I woke up, he wasn't there. Teens mom, okay, call me when he will back. I will scold him. Baby, I have to go now. Your appa is waiting for me. I already sent your gifts. It will reach today or tomorrow. Don't forget to tell me, did you like it or not? Jimin, okay Uma, thank you so much for the gifts and say hello to Appa. Colin did. Jimin, my all the Umas are so sweet. They all send gifts for me and here is Jun who didn't even wish me. He didn't leave a single note for me. He is becoming so careless. Let him come home, I will scold him. Again, his mobile rang and he cheerfully picked the call. Obviously, his mobile rings countless times. After all, it's a Jimmy's birthday, na? OTP. Jimin. Hello, Ginny Hangi. June. Hello, kid. It's Nam June, not Ginny. Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you another year full of joy, happiness, and health. Whatever he said, it goes upward of his bean-sized brain because he told it in English and that too in fluent. Poor Jim only understood happy birthday. Jin snatched mobile from June's hand. Yeah, we all know how much good your English is. You don't need to show off every time. June, baby, I just wished him. That's it. When did I show off? Jin, oh really? Why are you wishing him in English? You know na, he doesn't know English and you are wishing him in fluency. June, it's okay baby. He should learn English too. It's very important for him. Jin, why? Why is it important? See, I'm also not fluent in, but I'm surviving now. It's just a language. He doesn't need to learn. June, it's important, Ginny. English is a global language. If he learns that, then he can communicate with others easily. Jin, oh really? What will you do to become fluent in English when you have to follow the orders of non-fluent person? That's it. Poor June became speechless. One more time. That's how June always shuts his mouth. They both were bickering without realizing Jimin was on the call and hearing their talks. They both already forgot about him. Jimin in mind. Poor Juni Hangi always gets scoldings from Jinny Hangi. They both are so cute. Look like I have to save him. Jimin shouts, Jinny Hangi, I'm also here. Jin, see, because of your stupid wish, my baby has to wait. Now say sorry to him. June, shocked, me? Point his right index finger on himself. You want me to say sorry to him? Jin, do you see here anyone else except us? June looked here and there. No. Jin, then obviously it's for you. I won't say it to myself now. Who told you that you have 148 IQ? I desperately want to meet that person. You even don't have simple common sense. June immediately apologized to Jimin because it's the only way to calm down Jin. June hurriedly, I'm sorry Jimin, I did the biggest crime to wish you in English. Please forgive me. Jimin giggles and felt pity on him. Jin, are you taunting me? June innocently looked at him. I don't have guts, Jinny. Jin, that's true. By the way, I told you to call him, not to talk with him. June mentally slapped himself. Sorry, now talk to him, he's waiting. Jin, oh yeah, thanks. By the way, you don't need to remind me what should I do or not. Jimin, Jinny Hangi, sorry to cut off your words, but please don't talk to Juni Hangi like this. He must be feeling bad. June, oh no, Jim, it's our love language. I'm not feeling bad. I love my Jinny like this, sweet and dominating. He pulled him closer to himself and kissed on his neck. Jin slowly tilted his head for giving him more access. Thank God they aren't on video call, otherwise our cat won't leave Namjin. By the way, what will happen if Jimin will stay 1 month with Namjin? They both were completely lost in each other and poor Jim is thinking Namjin are fighting. They were interrupted by Jimin's shout and Jin immediately pushed June. Jimin, Jinny Hangi, are you there? Jin, yeah, I'm here. Jimin, Jinny Hangi, please don't fight with Juni Hangi. June, fight. Good idea, Smirk. Jin hit on his shoulder. Shut up. Jimin, Jinny Hangi. Jin put the call on speaker. Yeah, baby, call is on speaker. Jimin, what is dominating? Juniangi said, nah, he loves your sweet and dominating side. So tell me, what's dominating side? I understood sweet, asked innocently. Jin looked at June and smirked. Asked Juni, he will definitely make you understand. Jimin, yeah, you are right. He's professor na. He must be know this. June, yeah, and tell him to demonstrate too. You will understand quickly and easily. Jimin, that's a nice idea. Thank you so much, Yangi. June, anytime, kid. Jimin, I missed you so much. When will you both come here? Jin, oh baby, we will come soon to meet you. How's preparation going? Jimin, preparation? But for what? Jin, your birthday's preparation. Jimin sat about. No, nah, here isn't anyone. Jin, means Jimin, when I woke up, Yoon wasn't here. Till now, he hasn't came back. I'm waiting for him. Jin, what? That's why I told you to leave that stone heart person and come with us. If you listen to me, then today we are celebrating your birthday. We would throw the biggest party for you, but still it doesn't late. Wait, I will send you adoption paper, sign it and come here. You don't need to stay with that stone heart person. Jimin, no Hyangi. Jun is so good. He isn't a stone heart person. He took me here to meet at my grandparents' house to meet them. You know, we came here by flight. It's so beautiful. June, by flight? Where are you now? Jimin, costly rice. Jin, what? June, he means Costa Rica. Jimin, yeah, dad, costly rice. Jin raised his one eyebrow and looked at June. How do you know he wanna say Costa Rica? June, I'm not pro to understand jumbled word because of our trust-feeded cooking. Jimin giggled. Trust-feeded cookie? Nice nickname, Hangi. June, don't go anywhere outside of the house, Jimmy. Jimin, I won't go anywhere. Jinny Hangi, you know. To be continued. Questions. How's the episode? Where are Yoongi, his parents and grandparents? Did they all really forget his birthday? Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It's a Jimmy's birthday and everyone is missing. Where did they all go in this early morning? Poor Jim cried on his birthday. In next episode we will see where is everyone. Super cute, romantic, fluffy moments are coming. You will see lots of Yunmin's lovey-dovey scenes. Just wait for upcoming episodes. Congratulations, now we are 3K plus subscribers family. Thank you so much for this. It really means a lot for me. We completed it on 25th April. None of you wish me except my Prachi. As usual, she always wished me first. Maybe you all are too busy to realize it. Nowadays, everyone is so busy except me. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.